Making homemade macaroni and cheese in the microwave is weirdly satisfying. It's faster than boiling a pot, uses fewer dishes, and gets straight to the cheesy goodness. If time's tight or you hate cleaning, this method is your new best friend. Start with a mug or bowl that's microwave safe. And I mean actually microwave safe, not the cheap ones that secretly get lava hot and burn your hand. Trust me, I've learned this the hard way. Go for ceramic, it's your safest bet. Measure out half a cup of dry elbow macaroni. Don't eyeball it unless you want a cheeseless disaster. You'll also need 1 cup of water. The ratio is crucial here because the microwave cooks unevenly. Too much water? Soggy mess. Too little? Crunchy disaster. Add the macaroni and water to your mug or bowl. Give it a little stir, just so the pasta doesn't clump together like it's plotting an escape. Pop it in the microwave for 4 minutes, but, and this is important, pause to stir every minute. Here's the thing, microwaves do this weird thing where they cook food unevenly. If you don't stir, the edges will cook faster than the middle. No one wants starchy water overflow or a half-cooked macaroni fist fight. Stir. Always stir. After 4 minutes, check your pasta. It's never going to look pasta commercial perfect, but that's fine. If it's still too firm, zap it in 30-second bursts. No shortcuts here. Patience is your friend. Once it's cooked, drain any excess water. Not all of it, though. Leave maybe a tablespoon. That starchy water is like liquid gold for making the cheese sauce stick. Pour it all out, and you're sabotaging yourself. Now comes the cheese. Add a 1/4 cup of shredded cheese. Cheddar is the MVP, but experiment if you want. Sprinkle in a little salt, pepper, and a splash of milk, about 2 tablespoons. Stir it like your life depends on it. Pop the cheesy, gooey mixture back into the microwave for 30 seconds. This isn't optional. It helps the cheese melt evenly without separating. No one wants a pool of sad, oily cheese sauce sitting on top of clumpy noodles. After 30 seconds, stir it again. If the cheese isn't melted or creamy enough, do another 15-second zap. But don't overdo it, or you'll create a rubbery cheese monstrosity. Finesse, people. Finesse! Pro tip, toss in a pinch of garlic powder, paprika, or even a dab of Dijon mustard if you're feeling fancy. It elevates the mac and cheese game instantly. Call it gourmet. Everyone will believe you. And there you go, homemade macaroni and cheese cooked in the microwave. It's not 5-star dining, but it's hot, cheesy, and comforting in under 10 minutes. Perfect for Netflix binges or late-night cravings.